Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to hide photos in Google Photos. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and leave a like on the video. Now first of all, open your Google Photos app and select the photo which you want to hide, or photos, whatever photos you want to hide, you can just go ahead. In my case, I want to hide only one photo and this is the photo. So how we can hide? Just select the photo and here we can see these options, and here we have to swipe it to the left, and then we will see the option for move to locked folder. We have to click here. Now enter your password. Here we have to create a backup for our locked folder. How you can do that? Just click on the manage backup, and here we have to click on turn on backup. Again hit on turn on backup, and yeah, the backup is created. Now we can easily click on move to locked folder, and then you will get the option for move. We have to click here. And yeah, this is how you can hide the photos in Google Photos. But the main thing, how you can access them, we have the option for search. We have to click here and then we have to type locked folder here, and then we will get the option. We have to click here, again enter our password, then you will see all of your hide photos. But in this case you are not able to see my photos because Google Photos don't allow me to record it. But yeah, this is the way to hide photos in Google Photos. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.